Hi, I'm Mary Jean Vincent, career expert and strategist, LinkedIn expert, and salary negotiation queen. I'm here today to talk about the career related benefits of negotiating. Well, most of us are pretty familiar with the financial rewards of asking for and getting what we want. Few of us understand the positive impact that negotiating can have on our career. Today I'm going to talk about three of those impacts. Number one, a better or more prestigious title. Often, along with a higher salary comes a better or more prestigious title. The right title can add to our credibility as we step into new, more challenging positions. Number two, plum assignments. Highly compensated employees are typically more highly valued and get first dibs on plum assignments. Successful completion of these assignments leads to additional opportunities to learn, grow, and further our career. Number three, influential contacts and connections. Exposure through these high-profile projects often increases our profile, and it provides access to mentors, industry and company leaders, and other stakeholders. These are the very people who can guide and direct our career. So these are three non-monetary benefits of negotiating. Would you like to increase your skill and confidence when negotiating? Visit careercoachmonterey.com, that's careercoachmonterey.com, to find out more information about one-on-one negotiating strategy sessions for men and women and female-friendly salary negotiation workshops. I'm Mary Jean Vincent, career expert and strategist.